Straight lines are powerful. But the real world loves to curve. So what do we do when the data clearly bends? Here is a relationship that is plainly not a straight line. It rises quickly at first, then levels off near the top. A gentle curve. Force a straight line through it, and the line simply can't keep up. It sits above the low points and below the high ones, missing almost everywhere at once. A model too simple for its data like this is said to be underfitting. Here is the trick. We invent new features out of the one we already have. X squared, and x cubed. From a single column of x, we build several, each just a power of the original. Feed those new features in, and the model's line is suddenly free to bend. Watch it curve to hug the data, small errors everywhere now, instead of large ones. The highest power is called the degree, and it is a dial you control. Too low, and we are back to underfitting. Just right, and the curve tracks the true shape. But push the degree too high, and the curve wiggles wildly, chasing every random bump in the data. That is overfitting. And here is the subtle beauty of it. This is still linear regression. The model is just a weighted sum of its features, it simply has curvy features now. Same equation, same loss, same gradient descent. So, to fit curves, add powers of your features, and choose the degree with care, because too high overfits. Which raises the obvious question. How do we tame a model that is trying too hard? That is our next tool, regularization.